everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, so I wanted to hop on here and say hi to everyone. I actually was putting Nasser down for a nap and I almost fell asleep myself. But I couldn't pass up the opportunity to check in with everybody today. How are you doing? How's the YARNutopia world going on? What's happening in here? I have a few things I want to talk about today. So this past WIP Wednesday, I did mention we had a charity event to go to on Friday. So this past Friday, we did the Have a Heart for Charity event for the 5 Stones of Dodge County in Beaver Dam, Wisconsin. And that was so much fun. There was a lot of great artists there, and it was for a great cause. And we sold a lot of items that I had crocheted, and we raised a lot of money for that charity. So I'm really happy for them. And I was really grateful to be included in that event. And yesterday, Tuesday, my parents were here actually. We filmed some tutorials, so that was exciting. And our punny Valentines are coming to an end. This Friday is our last punny Valentine. It is Valentine's Day. I want you all to know I love you all so much, and I'm gonna get all emotional because I just love you guys. You guys are why we're here, and I love sharing in the love of crochet with all of you. This craft is so amazing. It's like therapy for me, and to share it with all of you is just, it means the world to me. So thank you all for being here, and I hope you all are my Valentine this year. And Ness and Nate are going to be with me on Valentine's, and we're going to just have a great time together this whole weekend. We're just going to spend together, and yeah, I'm excited for that. And also, yeah, our punny Valentines are gonna be done. It was so much fun to share all the puns with all of you. Some of those puns were insane. Today, I actually posted the alien, which I think was the best pun yet. My mom is helping me with a lot of the puns. She's super clever in her punniness, and so she helped me with that pun because that was completely out of this world. So I hope you enjoyed the alien hand puppet, and check that out if you haven't seen it already. I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can see that pattern. And then this Friday I have a new pattern coming out for our last punny Valentine. But then we have more events coming up this week, or this month, sorry. Actually, I wanted to talk about an exciting event that YARNutopia World is going to be hosting. So I have, at YARNutopia World is my group on Facebook. Make sure you join my group on Facebook. You have to answer 3 questions to be accepted into the group. If you do not answer those 3 initial questions, you will not be entered into the group. It is a private group on Facebook, and we just want to keep it all crochet and drama-free. So we want to make sure that you answer the 3 questions, and then you'll be accepted into the group. And once you're in, we can share all the love of crochet with each other and encourage each other and see some inspiration in there, and just bounce off ideas off of each other. And we can get into joining events, which we are hosting here at YARNutopia. So this first event is going to be called One Skein Weekend. It is going to be from February 22nd to the 23rd. That is a Saturday to a Sunday, not this coming Saturday, Sunday, but next Saturday, Sunday, which is February 22nd to the 23rd. It's from the comfort of your own home, and we are going to be doing projects that only require 1 skein of yarn. I am going to be making 1 project with hopscotch yarn. This color is called Somersault. This yarn is so soft and fabulous. I love this. I love the variation of color. It is so lovely. So I'm going to be using only 1 ball of this yarn and making a full crochet project, and I will be releasing that pattern on that weekend. Then on the first day of the weekend, so the Saturday, the 22nd. Then on the 23rd, I will be releasing another pattern that requires only 1 skein of yarn, and that pattern is going to be using Chic Sheep yarn in this VIP color. I'm not sure if I'll change the color last minute, but it just requires 1 ball of the Chic Sheep yarn by Marley Bird. That is Red Heart Yarns, and I'm going to be sharing all the information about this event in the group YARNutopia World on Facebook. So make sure you join the group and then find the event, go to the events tab, and you will find that event. It's going to be up very soon. We have just a few rules that we have to amend, and then once that event is up, I will invite everybody in the group to the event, and you can join the event and join in on some fun crochet with us on February 22nd to the 23rd. It's all from the comfort of your own home. It's all virtual, online. You can hop in, say hi, and share your free or paid crocheted patterns that are requiring only one skein of yarn. So if you've made something with just one skein of yarn, you'll be able to share it in that event with all of us. And we have a few rules that we want to abide by, and then just, yeah, have fun that whole weekend together sharing our one skein weekend projects. So I hope you join that event with me, and I'll see you on our group, YARNutopia World. I'm really enjoying the group. It is so much fun, and you are all joining me on this new adventure, and it's great. You guys are so wonderful. I love seeing all your posts every day and your encouragement to each other and to me, and to just, it's wonderful. I really like the group so much. So that's really all I wanted to share with everybody today. Nasser is 8 months old tomorrow. Oh my gosh, he's crawling. I just baby-proofed my entire house this past weekend with Nate. And we like covered all the plugs, we got all the cords out of the way, we got all the furniture is like padded and like made sure everything is secure and safe and there's nothing small on the floor. And we have a couple baby gates so we can block off the rooms. I mean, this whole house is just baby proofed. It's great, but also kind of nerve-wracking because pretty soon he's gonna be walking and he's just moving. So, but I love it. I just love seeing him grow, and he's so wonderful. 8 months old. He's getting older. Oh my gosh, he's growing. He's looking more like a toddler than a baby these days. He's got so much hair. His teeth are pulling out. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, they're like two little like chiclet teeth on the bottom. I was like, oh my god. So I love him so much. I am completely obsessed. So we are doing that and just taking care of Nasser and getting things ready for our event coming up. So to recap, we had a great time at the charity event on Friday. It was so much fun, and we raised a lot of money together for Have a Heart for charity for 5 Stones of Dodge County in Beaver Dam. We filmed yesterday tutorials, so new projects coming to you soon. Our last Valentine pun is coming on Friday, and join me in my group YARNutopia World on Facebook to join in on the fun event that we are going to be having one skein weekend on February 22nd to the 23rd. That's all for today. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Happy Valentine's Day, great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Happy hooking!